this is Everett from D Boys, and today we're going to read Pete the Cat, Rockin' in My School Shoes. Story by Eric Litwin, art by James Dean. This book was requested by the Fisher Valley Elementary preschoolers. Pete the Cat, Rockin' in My School Shoes. Pete the Cat, Rockin' in My School Shoes. Story by Eric Litwin, art by James Dean. Here comes Pete strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school and he sings this song. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? The library! Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no! He finds his favorite book and sings this song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Check it out, Pete. He's ready to eat in a big, noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? The lunchroom! It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no! He sits down with his friends and sings his song. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? The playground! Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no! He slides and swings and sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm writing in my school shoes. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. Pete's mom asks him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says, "I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes, and I will do it again tomorrow because it's all good." If you want to recommend a book, just comment it and don't forget to like and subscribe. The end.